What is up, YouTube? This is the first blizzard of the season, the day after Christmas. Started last night, 7 p.m., 8 p.m. Really fine, heavy snow. And then all day today, just getting hit 3 to 4 inches an hour, 30-mile-an-hour winds. Had to put it in 4 low because I almost got stuck going up a hill. Crazy! So we're supposed to get up to 30 inches tonight. Holy cow, hold on a second. We've already got 12 to 16 inches today. Definitely first heavy storm the day after Christmas. We had no snow yesterday, it was green. December 27th, Sunday. 24 inches in about 24 hours is what I'd say we ended up with. I'm gonna clean the driveway up and then we're gonna be all wrapped up. See you on the next storm.